Yo producers, what's good? In this video I'm about to reveal some secrets on how to make beats for Lil Baby and how to make loops and drums for Lil Baby in a very easy and simple way. So make sure to watch the entire video to get some free sauce for your beats. So let's get to the video. As you can see, I'm here in FL Studio, piano roll and the piano. I'm about to use piano, and piano is from Nexus. I find this in some libraries. And let's make some loops now. First of all, you can just start with some bass notes and repeat them twice. So something like this. That's when you go up. And now when you have your bass note, you can just paste one here as well. And now what you actually need is just repetitive melody. You are about to change with the time after maybe second bar or fourth bar. Okay, something like this. It's very easy, very simple. Now I'm about to copy this here and I'm about to repeat this all the way maybe to the second bar, something like this. Now this is too much high frequencies and I'm about to maybe pitch it down for the 1 octave. And now here comes the secret sauce that you need. You can just delete here, this part here, or you can save it, but you need to change the bass note down a little bit. So now we are going down. Maybe it can be G sharp or any other note. So let's check it out. Just like this. So you have one note, copy it down and move it one more, the second note again down. So we got something like this. And now we can also change something here in this part on the higher notes, just not being that repetitive. Now, since we have this like a main melody, now I can just add some bass here by dragging this to the lower notes of piano, maybe A2, something like this. But we can make it like a longer instead like this. So we have like a two splits here. Now we just have one. Now I'm about to clone this piano as well. Just add a few counter notes here on this piano. Something like this. Now I'm about to use this melody and maybe add delay on this one later and make a little delay like this. Okay, I like the way it sounds now. So now I'm about to save this one and I'm about to use third sound. This sound is from free plugin called BBC Symphony Orchestra. It's very fire, very good. You got some super dope high quality sounds, and I'm about to use these strings here. And I'm about to maybe just layer the notes here with the main melody. Okay, very good. Now I'm about to split by channel everything and export each sound here, like this. Right click, quick render as audio clip. Very good, very fire. Now let's just drag these sounds here. And I'm about to pitch down each sound here. So let's go maybe put a 170. Just copy value, paste it here as well. I'm about to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, just to put it on each channel right here so I have more control here. Drag down sounds, and I want to use this piano here. I'm about to cut some frequencies here, and I want to add some reverb on this one here, and delay. I just want to see how this will react with the delay. As you can see, it sounds already fire. Now here comes the sauce for the drums. They're very easy, very simple. Just make sure when you're making drums to leave the space, enough space for the rapper, for the artist that's gonna rap on your beat. So let's just make it very, very simple, this beat. I'm about to use snare, counter snare as well. Some basic sounds here. Let's go with 808s and let's choose the kick. Let's go with this one, for example. Now, when you are just making heads, like Lil Baby, you can just leave up some space, like to make a little bounce, something like this. Oh, sorry, not like this. Something like this, just like make it a little bouncy here, and that's it for the hi-hats, just to make it bounce. Maybe something like this, very easy, very simple. I'm about to copy the kick pattern here and paste it on 8/8 pattern here. That's easy, that's very simple. As long as you are making beats like easy and simple, they're gonna be much better. Just keep it simple, enough space for artists, and that's it. And let's split by channel everything, make a little intro, and let's get it with the beat. So maybe just make something like this. Okay guys, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to download the bundle. Link will be available in the description. So make sure you check out the sounds, see what you can come up with. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The beat is very easy, very simple, but kicks really hard. I think I will finish this beat for sure and upload it on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.